Myself, Aarti, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with IT, and Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, I'm here to take about the topic national income. We all are known about the measures of national income and output that is used in economics to estimate the total economic activities in the country or region, including the GDP, GNP, and NNI. So here it is an adjust of national income. It is also called as the uh, NNI, a factor cost. So here national income refers to the total value of all goods and services that is being produced by a country's resident, whether within its border or abroad, during a specific period that is typically for 1 year. So this is income is an indicator of national economic health, and it is used to formulate the policies to maximize the national welfare. So here there is a two differentials of national income. One is the traditional definition of national income and modern. So in traditional, according to Marshall, so national income is the total value of goods or services produced through the labor and the capital of a country, so utilizing its natural resources. So next we have the modern definition, whereas modern economics breaks the national income into two components. One is the GDP and GNP, that is gross domestic profit and gross national profit. So here we have that is the GDP. So the gross domestic profit, it is the measurement of the total value of goods and services that is produced within a country, and it is the important economic indicator that reflects the growth of the national economy. So here it is all about the GDP can be calculated using this formula, that is the consumption plus investment plus government spending plus export minus imports. So this is all about the formula for the calculating GDP, whereas GNP is the value of all goods and services produced by the resident of the country, both domestically and abroad. So, unlike GDP, GNP also includes the net income from abroad. So, it is calculated like GDP plus net income from abroad minus net payments to foreign assets. So, this is the formula of GNP. Next, we have the importance of national income. So, national income serves as a various important purposes, including setting the economic policies. So, it helps in formulating the economic policies to foster the economic growth and tracking the deflation and inflation. So, this economic statistics are used to monitor the inflation and deflation and creates the timely anti-inflammatory measures for it. Budget planning, so government budget preparation, that will also helps heavy on the national income figures. The policies are shaped to align its available economic resources. Standard of living comparison, so national income is used to compare the standard of living across the country and overall time within the same country. And next we have defense and development. So establishing the help allocate fund for both defense and the development projects. So this is all about the importance. Next we go for the methods of measuring national income. So there are several ways to measure the national income. The first is the income method. So this income method is calculated by adding its net income of all citizens from a factor of production like rent, wages, interest, profits, and excluding the fund transfer. Next, expenditure method. The expenditure method of national income will sum up the total spending in the economy, including consumption, investment, government expenditures, and net foreign investments. Next, we have product method. This measures the total value of final goods and services produced in an economy as stated at the market price. Next, we have value added method. This method subtracts the value of intermediates goods used in a production to calculate the value added at each stage. So this is all about the methods that are being used for measuring the national income. So this is all about the national income. Thank you.